Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing perfectly fine. So today I'm just going to show you like a person just contact me on Fiverr and he asked to just center some headings that are not working with the page builder what they are using from the backend. So we will see like how we can just make this center these two one and how we can just align these two social buttons in center. Okay, so already he have given me the login details, so let me just log in into our dashboard. Then we shall see like first of all we shall try from our page builder like whether we can make it fine from the backend or not. If we fail, then we will see what plugin we are going to use and how we will write code for it. But don't worry, you don't need to write a couple lines of code. There is just simple method to like just do inspect and all the written code you shall get. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so right now we have successfully logged in our dashboard. So we need to see that like on the page from the page builder, is it working or not? Or maybe they don't know about some settings, so definitely I shall go there first of all. So I need to go on all pages, and after that we shall go for our page. That is the home page. Definitely that is the landing page. Okay, so as we can see that in front page there is written the front page and they are using the B theme. Okay, and definitely there is a separate B builder for it. So I will just click on edit with B builder so that we can check like do we have any option there, and if the option is successfully done but still we are not seeing the changes on our website, then we will move to CSS to write some CSS to make the headings and social icons perfectly fine. Yes, right now we can see we are just in our B builder. So if I just minimize its option, so we can see the find us and find us, they are just looking perfectly fine, but the Facebook and Instagram button, they are not looking good enough. Like they should display, like there should not be like such kind of space, but they are using some different kind of block. So that's why it is representing such kind of space between them. But as we can see, our this heading is also not aligned, this is also not aligned center, this is also, these four headings are also not centered aligned, and as well as we need to remove this space. For that we need to just write the CSS code. So that's quite simple. Like if I just want to make this center, I just need to right click and after that go on inspect, and after going there is also a option like that arrow. So just click on this one, that is basically a selector. So I need to click on the text which I want to change. So I need to click on find us, and after that we can see here the column heading dot title. Okay, so also you can simply click on this plus button, so there you shall select all the classes. These changes will implement on all the classes who have the same class as title. So you just need to write there text line center, and you can see the find us and the other one find us, they are also centered, and the above the free parking heading and card payment, they are also centered aligned. So this is the code what we need. I just write the text line center, and we need to copy this code, and now we just need to come back in our dashboard. So we need to know like where we shall just put this CSS code. So for that we need to install a new plugin. So we just need to go in plugins, and after that I need to click on add new, and the plugin name is, we need to search custom CSS and JS. So simply search for this plugin, and after that install and activate. So this is already installed in the website. So I just update this one, and after that I need to search for its option where it is just displaying in our website. Okay, so when I just arrive in our plugins, the plugin is already there, but it is not activated. So I just need to click on activate. So once we activate this one, we will get an option in our all the options of all the menu of WordPress. From there, I can see there is a custom CSS and JS. Just click on add custom CSS, and a separate file will be created for your WordPress to just insert the CSS code which we have just copied from here. And I need to just come on our custom code, and after that just click here and control V, mean that paste. And there is also a very important thing, just tab your shift, and after that hit the one button, and you shall see the exclamation sign and write the important as well. And you may also add the title, like I am aligning the heading, so I can write the heading, and after that just click on the publish button. And right now, if I refresh our the web page, so that we need to check like it's working or not right now. So we can see it's perfectly working, so it is also centered, mean the four headings are also centered. So right now we need to remove the space, right, that is just displaying there. So if I just right click there, and after that go on inspect, and again if I click on selector, and after that I go on our Facebook, so we can see there is such kind of space there. So I need to click on that, like not on image but on the box. So if I click there, and after that I need to click on this plus button, and after that I shall write the text align, and then I will type the right. What is the text align? Basically, the thing right now what we are using, that is the basically anchor tag. So in anchor tag we need to write the text line, and after that need to write the important, and then we shall just copy this one, and after that we need to go on our CSS heading, and there we will just add this, and after that just click on update button. So we can add multiple codes there of CSS in our WordPress, so the changes will definitely work for our WordPress website. If you don't get these changes, then try to change the selection part, like if I just go on the image, and after that I go on the plus button, so we shall see there is nothing such kind for now displaying, but definitely there is the image tag as well, image scale with grid. So if I want to change its size, just write the width, and then whatever you write there, that will just going to implement on your website. So if I just increase its width, you can see it's perfectly working there. So the I'm not going to just minimize its size, because they have already done like what kind of they need. So I just need to refresh it, and let's see like how it is just displaying on our website, and perfectly fine, that is also working there. So they ask for only this simple change, like the heading alignment and the social icons alignment. Okay, so they are just looking perfectly fine. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you, like how we can add the CSS code in our WordPress website. So that's super easy. So we don't need to write the classes and a lot of code to just make the things perfectly fine, but definitely it's quite simple. So keep searching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. And if you have any confusion, just leave a comment, and definitely I shall make a new video to just remove your confusion.